Hi guys, it's your girl vanessuhvee and I'm here with another video. Today I'm doing a new type of video and I actually have been postponing it for a little bit. Oh wait. Before I go into that, if you're new to this channel, hi, how are you? Welcome. Hopefully you like my channel and hopefully you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. But
so if you, I'm sorry, I can't even take myself serious. I don't know why I decided to go with braids, but I don't know, I'm just gonna have to go with it.
Today I have a new type of video. It is an unboxing, but for the first time ever, I am doing a Lashybox unboxing. Now, I know a few weeks ago, I said I was going to be doing or that I was going to be an ambassador for a lash company. This is not it. However, I do have that product and I'll be mentioning it at the end of this video. So I did pay for this. I'll get the details because I believe this was $13.99 and with shipping it was like around 16 something. I'll put it on the video. When I signed up for this, I signed up for this first of all because my niece Maria, shout out to Maria, she gets this every month. Now, prior to Maria getting it, I did hear about this sometime a while back. Maybe around the same time she heard about it and started it as well. But I visited, if you haven't seen my last video, I did visit my hometown where I'm from, and I got to see a lot of the lashes that she has gotten from her subscription, as well as see the month of June. I was able to sign up for it and still get the box. However, this is like, I guess, the standard Lashybox, and they have the drama one and also the soft glam. Alright, so without further ado, I am going to be opening the box. I'm super excited today because I am filming on a new camera today, and I'll be inserting a little clip just so you can see my new camera. In my previous videos, if you have been around for a while, you may have noticed that I had been having some issues with focus, especially when I'm trying to show small things unless I'm using my phone. However, my phone is always running out of memory. Anybody else have that problem? So it's best if I use a camera. So I was using a DSLR camera that wasn't necessarily fit for what I wanted it for necessarily. So now I got a new camera and I'm super excited, and I will be posting a short clip in the video.
So this is my new camera. It is a Canon G7X Mark II. It's not the newest one of this series or model, but here it is. I got a case for it. On the back, this is what it looks like. It has a record button right there, and probably the feature I like the most about it is its screen and how it can lift up, like when I want to vlog, and that's probably the most beneficial. Also, the screen automatically focuses, and it is touchscreen. So, I look kind of crazy right now, otherwise I'd show you.
So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It comes in this cute little box. I did kind of see what Maria had got. I guess let me show you. What the crease? Okay, so it does come and it looks like that. I'm saying what the crease because this top lashes, they are so cute. But I did notice the clear plastic, like the covering is missing. They're so cute, fitting for Pride Month. Let's see if it's gonna focus. There you go. They're like kind of multicolored, kind of rainbowy, and it does say Lashybox, and it's 3D silk lashes and the style blueberry. So there is some blue to it. Looks like it has some green or yellow and another color, like a rosy color. So those are really cute. It's just kind of weird that it's missing the plastic, because the next case, this is in the style Gemini. It does have the plastic. They're just some black lashes, also by the actual brand Lashybox. And then I got two other lashes. I think these are supposed to be the drama ones because it's supposed to come with some soft glam and some drama. And this is by Flaunt Beauty, and this is in the style Empowered. So Flaunt Beauty and the style Empowered. And then I got Flaunt Beauty again. $0 money baby. Okay, it looks like $0. Look at that. The weirdest name ever. Let me see if it's gonna focus on it. It's focused. But they're cute. She's cute. Those are the lashes. So I got 4 pairs of lashes, 2 from Flaunt Beauty and 2 from Lashybox. Also in here, I did get a small little glue. And the last item in here, and I think it's pretty standard when you get the box, they always come with a small eyeshadow palette, if I'm not mistaken. So it's not bad for like $16. You get 4 lashes and an eyeshadow palette. So this one says Indica by by Flaunt Beauty, and it's infused with cannabis sativa. So there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And actually, while I was there, if you take a look at my last video, I'll put a little card up there so you can see. But Maria in the video was at one part in the party, she was wearing purple eyeshadow. I believe it was this palette. So I'm gonna open it up, and it has a mirror, so that's pretty cool. It's a little mini palette, has 6 colors, and the shade Bubba, Cookies, Ice Cream, Blue Dream, Northern Lights, and Great Grape. So those are the colors. And those are really cute. I do really like them. All right, so that was what I got in my Lashybox. Again, I'll put the price in the description or on the actual video, but I want to say it was $13.99 or so, and then with shipping, they do charge shipping, so it was a little bit more. Like many other subscriptions, I believe you get a discount if you buy more than 1 month at a time. And so that was my Lashybox for the month of June. And what was really cool is that even though I ordered after the beginning of June, I was still able to get the June box. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. Time for a little selfless promo. So a few weeks ago, tagging on, I didn't want to make a separate lash video. But if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably been seeing me. I posted a few selfies or videos, and I did advertise my promo code or on, so on Instagram. And then I believe in this last video in the description, I did say, hey, you noticed my lashes in this last video. Again, going back to the last video, I've been trying out Dollar Lash Club. So I am newly an ambassador for Dollar Lash Club. When you order lashes, they come in something like this. I think this is like the packaging Ipsy used to have and don't have anymore. And I decided to try them out. They reached out to me and wanted me to be an ambassador, but before I was going to be promoting things to you guys, I wanted to try them out. And even though I did, you know, drop my promo code a couple of times, I wasn't really pushing it. So in my last video, and I say my last video, which was my vlog of Valerie's graduation, but also on Instagram and stuff, I had been sporting these. They look kind of crazy because I probably have worn them more than 10 times, and they advertise that you can wear them up to 10 times. These are in the style Kylie, and these are $7 on the Dollar Lash Club, and with my promo code you guys can get 10% off. I know it's not a lot, but being a small channel, I don't know, it would just mean a lot if you guys actually did order some. And then the next one, I bought 2 of the same, and this is the style Robin, and these retail on their site for $5. Now these are more of a soft glam. On the website I couldn't really tell like which ones are really big and which ones are too small. I typically don't go for a soft glam, but I did try them. And I'll be really honest, I bought 2 pairs because I wanted to try it and I wanted to give one away. So this one right here, the Robin one, I felt like as far as quality, it felt a little wiry to me, the band where you put it on, if I'm being honest. And I don't know if it's because it's a thinner band and less full compared to the Kylie ones, but guys, the Kylie ones, I stand by 100%. I don't want to discourage you from trying them out. I do think I'm probably going to try this Robin one again. It's just, for me, I really do like a fuller lash. Versus like a real soft, like natural lash. That being said, if I haven't scared you off and you are still here, I do want to be doing a small giveaway of the Robin eyelash. And enter this small giveaway if you just comment down below your thoughts about Dollar Lash Club or Lashybox. Just leave a comment down below. Okay, that's all you got to do. And I would really love it if you subscribed and thumbs up this video, but it really doesn't tell us who has done that. So I'm going to go strictly by the comments. But yeah, Dollar Lash Club, guys, this is the company that I'm an ambassador for. And I really hope that you can find some lashes from them that you really enjoy, like I have enjoyed.